Hi everyone. Today we are making one of my favorite chocolate cakes, Devil Foods cake. And if you're a big chocolate cake lover like I am, or actually, let's not kid around, chocolate anything really, then you will most definitely love this cake. So to start, you're gonna need 3 sticks of butter. Place them into your stand mixer bowl. And cream on a low speed until light and fluffy. Once your butter is at prime fluffiness, add in 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Next, toss in 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 4 eggs, mixed a little bit, then you're going to take your 3 cups of flour. In your flour, toss in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk it up with a fork. And move aside. Next, we're going to take our cocoa powder mixture. Now our cocoa powder mixture is 3/4 cups of cocoa powder mixed with about 1/2 cup of boiling water. In our cocoa mix, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of milk. Now with our milk and our cocoa powder, we want to go ahead and whisk it up until it kind of looks like hot cocoa. Next, in our cake batter mix, we're going to go ahead and alternate between our flour and our cocoa mix, starting and ending with our flour. So we're going to add a little flour. And mix it up. Add some cocoa mix. And mix it up. A little more flour, mix. Cocoa powder, mix. Flour, mix. Cocoa powder. And the rest of our flour. And then mix it up. Now once your cake batter is mixed and ready, go ahead and get your prepared pan. I'm using parchment paper to line, and then butter around the sides, dusted with some cocoa powder instead of flour. So now we're going to go ahead and pour our batter into our pan. And pop this into the oven to bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. Now with our cake baked and cooled, we can start layering. So we want to take our bottom layer of our devil's food cake and place it on our cake stand. Now today, we're going to use chocolate buttercream. If you'd like this recipe, be sure to go ahead and check this out over in the buttercreams playlist. With your spatula, give a nice healthy layer of chocolate buttercream on your bottom cake layer. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our top cake layer and sandwich that on top of the buttercream. Now, we're going to go ahead and take the rest of our chocolate buttercream and cover up our devil's food cake, which I have no shame in because, again, huge chocolate fan. Then, we're just going to go ahead and smooth out our buttercream all over our cake, including the sides. Just give it a nice little spin and press your spatula against the sides of the cake. This way it gives it a nice smooth surface. Once your buttercream is all smoothed out, we can go ahead and top it. Now my preference today is white chocolate Reese's Cups. We'll just go ahead and circle these around our devil's food cake. And there it is, our devil's food cake, covered in chocolate buttercream and topped with white Reese's Cups. Until next week, bye!